What is your name?
My name is Ansu Viswanath.
Ansu Viswanath. What is your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Sushil Viswanath.
Where?
I live in Mumbai.
Majoli Raj. Okay. How many parts of speech?
There are eight kind of part of speech.
Name them.
Noun, pronoun, adverb, verb, conjunction, preposition, adjective, interjection. Copy हटा दो.
Okay. Kinds of noun. Definition of noun.
A noun is a name of person, place, or place.
Very good. Noun.
Common noun, proper noun, material noun, abstract noun, proper noun, material noun.
Example.
Boy, girl, woman, man, sheep, etc.
Very good.